In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a plugin in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in so you can access your website dashboard. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct project or website, especially if you manage more than one. This helps avoid making changes to the wrong site. From your Hostinger dashboard, click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage your site and access the Builder tools. After that, look for the Edit Website option and click it. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can customize your site and connect extra features. When the editor loads, give it a second to fully open so all the menu options become available. Inside the Builder, find the More option in the menu and click on it. This area usually contains additional settings and features that are not shown in the main editing toolbar, so it's the place to go when you want to expand what your website can do. Next, click on Integrations. This is where Hostinger lets you connect your website with other tools and services. Integrations can help you add extra functionality depending on what you need for your site. For example, some integrations are useful for marketing, analytics, communication, or improving how visitors interact with your pages. Once you're in the Integrations section, you'll see the available options. Feel free to select the integration you want to add. Simply click on the one you prefer, and then follow the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger will guide you through the setup process, and the exact steps may vary depending on the integration you choose. As you go through the prompts, read each screen carefully before confirming anything. Some integrations may ask for account connection details or permission settings, so it's a good idea to review everything to make sure it matches what you want for your website. If needed, you can also pause and check the purpose of the integration before finishing the setup. After you complete the prompts, your selected integration should be added to your website. That's all it takes to get started. If this walkthrough helped you, you can revisit these same menu options anytime you want to add more integrations and expand your website's features.